Okay, we should just focus on getting the important stuff done. Yeah. Okay.
Where are we filming? 2, 1.
Oops. I broke it.
I don't know why you didn't just use the stairs.
For America!
Okay, we'll do this one.
Guys, my hat is stuck to my hair.
Just leave it in. Okay.
Are you recording? This is fun.
You have killed too many.
It's really crowded in here. Let's get rid of Christian.
Bài hát anh viết cho đâu gửi bao tình